In the previous video, take a look here, I showed to you an exposure triangle. So now we are talking. To shoot a scene like this, I have to decide what I want to emphasize. The light parts of this water, this bright canopy, or I want to emphasize all these deep, dark shadows of these sequoias in the reflection in the lake. Or I want both of these things, and I don't want to switch my settings all the time. I want to operate just with one of the settings, which is shutter speed. In such a scene, I have to realize what aperture I have to set, and for this particular scenario, I suggest like f8. Yeah, f8 or something like that. But the shutter speed may vary because just different lighting. And this is the exact point where the auto ISO setting is here to help us. To go to ISO in ISO range limit. You can find some similar settings in different camera systems. The name of this setting may vary. You have to put the minimum ISO. In my situation, the minimum ISO is ISO 50, and maximum ISO for this exact scene, I can say that ISO 5000 is enough. You go out of your menu, and instead of changing the ISO for every single frame, you just set it to ISO auto. And that's it. Basically, your camera will set ISO individually for every single frame automatically, but only in the range between the minimum and maximum you just set in the menu. And this is very convenient because it just fastens up your work. You don't need to set all of three settings manually every single time. This camera has a lot of computational processing power, so why not to let it do its thing, right? And by the way, we are in Uzbekistan. This is the Botanical Garden of Tashkent city, which is pretty exotic for me.